Hello, my name is Pomo, and this is my reflective video for the Principle of Project Management module. The name of my event is Ravensbourne Thrift and Expo, and for my reflective video, I will be using Gibbs learning cycle. The Gibbs learning cycle consists of 6 major steps, and they are description, feeling, analysis, evaluation, conclusion, and action plan. Talking about the description, Ravensbourne 15 Expo is a simulatory event designed by me for my Principle of Project Management module, and this event sole goal is to generate profit in order to buy educational materials for the unprivileged students. The other goal of this event was to create a fun and exciting environment for the attendees and to promote sustainable fashion and local cuisines found in different parts of the world. Being a project leader, I was able to apply different kind of things like RACI metrics, Gantt chart, time scheduling, project scheduling, that I learned in books and modules in real life scenarios. Through this event, I was able to understand more about project management. Secondly, the feelings. The journey felt like a roller coaster. Sometimes it was very exciting, and sometimes it was a bit of overwhelming as well. The thing that excited me was because this topic was very interesting for me. I had chosen this topic, so I was very motivated regarding all the activities that was done in this project. And the things that made me unsure and little bit of unconfident was the RACI metrics and the Gantt charts. These were the tools that I had never used before, but as I go on throughout the project, I also understood that the more I apply these kind of things and try to do it as a step by step process, I would understand more about these kind of things. And even the activities were coming together with one another. It was like a whole life cycle of a project. I was able to connect different activities together and form a whole project. This grew confidence within me as well, that I could finish the project within the timeline. And also, I was very proud with myself when I accomplished smaller goals throughout the project, which worked as a milestone for me. Now, the third step, the evaluation. The whole project was very exciting to me because being a project leader, I was able to have a creative freedom over the project. I believe I made the project more fun and motivating to me because I chose the most interesting thing that I would want in my project. And also, I use tools like Gantt charts and work breakdown structure. These tools were very helpful to me because I was able to substructure different kind of tasks in the project. I was able to break down those different activities, and doing so, I was able to keep track of different tasks throughout the project. It would have been a lot harder for me if I had to manage the uh, whole project as a one task. But after using those tools like work breakdown structure and Gantt charts, I was able to manage them in a smaller portions, and using this was very effective throughout the project. One of the challenges that I faced during the whole project was that I was not keeping the track of the time limit. I underestimated the time it would require for me to do the risk analysis. If I had been aware about the time that it would take for me to do the whole analysis, the documentation would have been less stressful. And fourthly, the analysis. To the project, I came to know about the project management, that it's not just about theory or topic in a book. It's more about being practical, or being organized and having a clear vision of the project. The tools like work breakdown structure and project scheduling was very helpful to me. The work breakdown structure helped me break down big tasks into smaller ones and help manage all the tasks properly, whereas project scheduling helped me uh, make a schedule for each task based on the duration. The risk analysis was also very helpful tool to me because I was able to arrange different kind of risks based on their impacts and their likelihood. And doing this, I was able to proactively make plans in case of any of those kind of accidents or problem that might arise during the time of the project. I also understood that communication is the key for a better outcome of any project. Communication is very essential throughout the team, and also the team structure is also very important part of a project. The way the team is structured also helps how the communication will happen within a project. And the flexibility is also another one of the important part. I understood that during the project there might be times where any kind of disasters or any accidents might occur. Being flexible means able to mitigate those kind of changes or accidents that might occur during the phase of the project. This was very helpful insight to me. I got to understand more about these kind of things that I was not aware of before doing the project. And the fifth part, we have conclusion. I learned many things from this project. The things that I learned from this project are thinking ahead of time, patience is key, and we need to trust the process. There are many mistakes and challenges that I faced during the project, but I take them as learning lessons. They were merely stepping stones for me. Since I trusted the process, I was able to go through all these challenges that I faced in the project. I also understood that the project management is not just a lesson on a book, but rather it's a real life skill as well. I learned and understood about the importance of communication, being a team leader as well. I feel that this project has made me more equipped and more knowledgeable about running a project in the future as well. And finally, the action plan. In the future, if I had to run any project, I'll make sure to have a strong foundation, which would be possible by applying principle of project management earlier on, because I realized that a strong foundation is key to success in any project. And the thing that I lacked in this project is the time management. I'll make sure to have a better plan in the future for managing time, and I would not underestimate any kind of tasks throughout the project as well. And the Gantt charts and risk analysis, and also the KPI indicators, I will make sure to have better knowledge and more understanding of those as well, because I believe that having a better understanding of KPI indicators would help to make a better outcome of any project as well. I learned many things about project, for example, from opening and the running process of the project, and even the closing. I learned about the post project activities like the post project report. This project not just helped me understand about the project management, but about myself too. This project has taught me many things, not just about managing an event or a project, but rather different life skill as well. The whole project was a big learning experience to me, and even the reflective video gave me an insight to Gibbs learning cycle, and the whole experience was very very good. And I believe that the whole project has made me a better person as a manager and a group leader as well. It gave me a whole new perspective regarding the project management as well. By seeing this much, I would like to end my reflective video on Gibbs learning cycle. Thank you for watching.